Hey everybody, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play Happy Birthday as quickly as possible because I'm willing to bet there's a birthday going on soon and you just need to figure out this tune. We can either play it using the G, C, and D chords, or we can play it with A, D, and E. But before you skip ahead, let's take a look at the strumming pattern because it's the same no matter what version you're playing. I'll do it on a G chord here. We just have a downstroke followed by two down ups. The downstroke is on beat 1, there's a down up on beat 2, and a down up on beat 3. So as long as you just count 1, 2, 3 out loud. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, down, down, up, down, up. And that's all there is to it. Anyways, let's figure out how to play this in the key of G, starting off on our G chord. I'll just show you the whole thing first. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear guitarist. Happy birthday to you. And we're going to start off G, D, then D, and back to G. So that's the first half of the song. And when I was switching from G to D, I was pivoting off of that finger. Just a little tip, makes life a bit easier. Now the second half of the tune is G, C, D, G. You can see that all at the top. 1, 2, 3. So I'll just put up all the chords here and we're going to play it together, start to finish, nice and slow. 1, 2, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lord. Happy birthday to you. And if you want to do that "how old are you" thing at the end, you just take your C chord, you move these two fingers that way, you move this finger that way. How old are you? That's a G7 chord. And now we're going to learn how to play this in the key of A using the A, D, and E chords. We already figured out our strumming pattern, so we'll just jump right into it. The first 4 chords, we go from A to E, then we do E again, and back to A. Let's put that together with the strumming. 3, 4. Now here, we're going to go from A to D to E to A. A, D, E, A. 1, 2, 3. Birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Cool, and now I'll put up the whole thing next to me and we can just read through it together nice and slow, starting off on A. 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear whoever. Happy birthday to you. And if you want to do the "how old are you" thing, you just have to lift up your middle finger. It gives you an A7 chord. How old are you? So that's how you play Happy Birthday on guitar in the key of G and the key of A. If you need any extra help with this stuff, I have some resources that you could check out if you can help support the channel. There's my Patreon, my free ebook. I have premium courses that'll help you with all the basics, developing your rhythm, chord switching, getting into bar chords, finger picking, a whole bunch of stuff. So check those out if you want to get better at guitar. Otherwise, enjoy your party and I'll see you next time.